So this is going to be my project for the next while. Getting this old girl cleaned up and running. Hoping to make that my son's Shopsmith. I think there's something wrong with the motor. So we'll see. I'll be having to take that apart and do some tests to see if we can get the motor running. Turns out I have a mid-80s Mark V 500, I think. There's the headstock. They got the bandsaw. There's the table saw attachment. One of these small tables. There's the table saw table, the joiner, and out in the shop I've got the jigsaw. The original manuals. There's a selection of tools that came with it. Look at that. There's the router, lathe, dead center, jigsaw blades, a little selection of Shopsmith bits. In here I've got the table saw fence and blade guard. Safety kit looks like a couple push sticks and that nice full bandsaw blade assortment. There's the table saw blade, disc sanders, and looks like we've got a faceplate, tool rest, lathe, and there's the other center, and a selection of Shopsmith turning tools. Picked up this old Shopsmith Mark V. I think this is the 500 or 510, the smaller size, from a friend who was moving, and we'll see what I found in here.